What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video I want to show you how to sign up for the new iOS 16 beta. All you have to do is go to beta.apple.com/sp/beta program, and I will put this link in the description so you can just quickly go to it. And then all you have to do is sign up for the beta program. It'll have you sign in, and you'll be able to go from there. So if I click on sign in, and then go ahead and sign in with this, we can see that we have guide for public betas. Now, in this guide, we have all of these different types of beta software we can try. So we're going to go to iOS for iOS 16, scroll down, and you will see the getting started and how to enroll your device. Enrolling your device is what you want to do. I do recommend backing up your device first, as they do as well, because betas can always cause issues. But we're going to go ahead and enroll your iOS device. And here it is. It says archive a backup, so make sure you back up your device in case anything goes wrong, and then install the profile. This is very, very easy. All you have to do is from your phone, go to beta.apple.com/profile, and that will have you log in. It'll ask to download a profile, say yes, and it's going to download to your phone. And I will actually show you the process. So in Chrome, we go to beta.apple.com/profile. And you're going to see, do you want to sign in? And you continue. It's going to sign in, and it's going to download a profile. Click on download, click on continue, and allow. Now it's going to download it into your settings. If we go into our settings, we will now see profile downloaded on top, and all you have to do is click on profile downloaded, and then go ahead and install the profile from the top right. So go ahead and click on install, enter your passcode, and then you can click on install here, and it's going to ask you to restart your phone. So you can go ahead and restart the phone, and that will apply any changes. And after that, you're going to go to your general, and you're going to go to software update, and you will see the new public beta. You can go ahead and restart your phone if it asks you to, and then click on install later, and it will start downloading the beta to be installed, and you'll be able to use your new iOS 16. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, have a great day. Peace.
What? You've never heard of Stream Savers? And you thought PewDiePie was the only YouTuber to make a game? I made a game too, and it's called Stream Savers, and it's available for pre-order right now for $9.99, and that's a great price.